Hey, it's Rob from the Bobsphere, and we've got another Booker video. This time it's Maps of Our Spectacular Bodies by Maddie Mortimer. Now, there are some books that I call novels, I call Bob books. This is one of them. Hits exactly what I like in literature. Non-chronological, a little bit artsy-fartsy, a little bit weird, and yet there's an overlying theme and it's told properly. I love this book. It is absolutely brilliant. If you're a fan of Ali Smith, yeah, a cheap comparison, but it's along the same veins. Okay, what's it about? Because I'm just praising it and saying nothing. Okay, there are three narrative strands here. One is of a woman who is dying of cancer. The second is a kind of memoir, you can say, a flashback. A flashback of what happened in this main character's youth. And then the third bit is narrated by the cancer cell which is spreading in her body. Okay, it is not an easy topic to talk about, yes, especially if you have had relatives who have passed away from cancer. Yet, it is a very powerful novel. The the flashback, I mean, it connects, everything connects definitely. So there's one point where past meets present. And well, the past event it's I think it's quite interesting to see how this main character developed and all her philosophies. That's okay. The present shows her suffering and how she is going to tell her daughter that she has cancer. She is seeing how her husband reacts and the people all around her. So we are getting a picture of a woman who is suffering, yet she doesn't want to be a burden to the rest of society. Then, and these are the most interesting bits, the sections related by the cancer cells are very poetic, and there's a lot of death literature in there, especially from Ted Hughes' Crow, which makes sense. You can guess why. Now, it could be off-putting to people. I can see that. I can see that. Not only the topic, though. I mean, it's not in chronological order. It's a bit like a puzzle. But I found it fun. I really liked it. For me, I was completely, my jaw dropped. And it covers a ton of topics. Let's say death, relationships, mother-daughter relationships. It's the suffering as well. And then the last 50 pages, they broke me completely. I mean, you can guess what's going to happen. But if you've seen something like this before, you can tell that Maddie Mortimer is quite accurate. So this kind of dichotomy, you've got something that's playful and fun, yet it's a topic that's dead serious. And it covers a lot of things, though. Like I said, relationships, that for me was the big thing. You've got this woman and she's in the center, and it's how she's dealing with all this. Now, I try to keep these videos short because I personally don't like it when there are long, long videos about people chatting about things. So, I mean, it may seem shallow, but I try to, be as brief as possible. So, if you like, puzzly kind of books, and you like, using, linking clues and things like that, and then seeing the hidden references, I definitely recommend it. For me, this was a 10 out of 10. Highly recommended. So tomorrow there'll be another video. It will be night crawling.